Hello guys, welcome back to the Dutchcarsofficial channel. Today we're utilizing the sunroof for a new POV. Hope you guys enjoy this. Now it's not on my head, so I hope this looks a little bit better. And I hope it's more fun this way. I need to check the recording back to see if the, if the sound is okay. I hope so, but don't expect much. So this will be just another relaxing POV, just driving a little bit through the city. So this is the industrial area, this is where we will start at, and I'll be shutting up. I'll let you enjoy the sound of the car, just like that you were driving it. Hope it feels that way, and I hope you all have a great day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and I'll be speaking to you in the next video, I think, or maybe at the end. So hope you enjoy it, and bye bye. So the camera fell down, as you guys have maybe seen. I don't know if I'll edit that out or not, but the camera almost fell on my head, so I hope it holds on a little bit now. But I think the shaking of the exhaust makes the camera go shake a little bit too much, and it lets loose. So I hope it stays on now. Those were some good bangs. So the camera fell down again, and now you guys get the passenger POV. So this is the point of view that you would get if you sat next to me in the car. Let me know which of the POVs you enjoyed more, then I'll make sure to make more of those. So hope you guys enjoy it, and let me know in the comments.